sir?
Yes, sir. I'm environmental enforcement officer. My name is Mohammed Wasim. Private hire taxi chauffeur, they are not allowed to park within the Heathrow village. In this way, you are found to be parked up, waiting within the restricted, prohibited area. So we have to serve you the ticket. You ask a question, let me record it for you. So we have to serve you the ticket, £50. If you choose to drive away, we work in collaboration with the DVLA. The ticket will turn into £350, sir.
Give
and
me
for
the
that,
ticket. Where is the ticket?
sir, I'm not a traffic warden, sir.
I'm not giving you my name and address. I don't know who you are.
Sir, I'm giving you my ID.
Environmental, what does that
My
mean?
badge number is 300. My name is Mohammed Wasim. You want to call police and involve them? I'm more than happy to wait for you.
I don't want to call the police because I just dropped a passenger off. Now I'm going to drive off, and you're saying you want to give me a ticket.
I'm afraid I have to
But
serve
you
the
don't
ticket.
have the ticket because you have not given
I'm
me
not a
nothing.
traffic warden, sir.
You're
Traffic
asking for my
warden,
name.
traffic warden will not come to you. They will simply take your registration and stick the ticket here and they move away. In our job description, we have to speak to my member of public, give them the right information, and this is how we proceed, sir. We are different from traffic warden. This is what I'm trying to explain to you. In future, I educated you as well. In future, if you bring in the passenger within Heathrow area, picking up or dropping off, what you need to do. This is what I have explained it to you in a very respectful manner. If your choice, I
don't
cannot issue a
understand what
ticket,
you're
sir. I
saying.
cannot issue a
don't
ticket
comply
without the name
to
and
what you're
address.
saying. I don't understand what you're saying, and I don't comply to what you're saying. I don't
No
understand.
problem, sir. In that case, I'll say have a lovely evening. I'll send you a ticket by post, sir, up to £350, and that cannot be challenged.
It can be challenged.
Well, try your luck, sir.
You can't give me a ticket because you're not. I'm asking for the ticket. You're not giving me the
Sir,
ticket.
I do need your name and address. I'm not a traffic warden who does not require these details. I'm an environmental enforcement officer working on the
And
behalf
what
of
is
Hillingdon
environmental
Council,
enforcement?
and we are
The environment.
authorized to issue and serve the ticket to private hire vehicle while they are parked up, waiting within the restricted area where I found you in.
I'm not waiting. I'm going. You've stopped me here when I'm trying to go. I was trying to drive off.
Sir,
and you
I
stopped
cannot
me from
explain
going.
any further. I got your detail. I'll be sending you ticket by. At the moment, it's £50. Later on, it will be £350. It's your choice.
When I see something in writing official from you proving what you
Yes, I can give you the ticket
because I
can
don't
give
know
the-
who you are. You've got something there.
Which
It
is
just
this?
says Mohammed. It's got nothing else on there. It's not got no name on it. It's not got no number.
It's Mohammed Wasim, enforcement officer on the behalf of
can
Hillingdon
print that.
Council.
Anybody can make that up.
Oh, is it? Do you
That's
think?
not got a number
do you
on
think
it.
I will have?
Where's your number?
Do you think my number is
Show me.
300?
Show me your ID. Proper ID.
Okay. I'm now.
No, but
it's
you've
coming-
not got nothing on there. There's no number on there. Show me it closer. There's no number on it. There's
I'm
nothing.
giving you my number verbally. 300.
Yeah, but you could just be making that up. How do I know? That's correct.
Why would I be make it up?
Because I don't know you.
You
I
will
don't
not
tr-
even pay me £50.
If you
will
give
be
me
paying
some
directly
true
to the
ID,
council.
some
Sir,
official ID, I understand who you are.
You will be paying directly to the council. Let me
How
just
can
show
I give you your name? You're just a stranger on the street. You've got no real ID. You come up to me saying, give me your name and address. Give me your name and address.
Here we go, sir. That's from the Hillingdon Council. And you will not be paying me money. You will be paying directly to them. If you want to take that, there's nothing on that. If I print the ticket for you, I will have a full detail on it.
What
Which
does it
you
say
can-
on it?
It says it's from the Hillingdon Council where you need to make a payment, and it has the logo of Hillingdon Council as well. I will not be standing here like an idiot making up thing. For what reason?
Yeah, but how do I know that? But how do I can't trust people like this
I tell
around
you,
here.
I assure you with my best assurance, you are certainly going to receive £350, sir. I have you. I wish you have a nice evening, sir.
Who are you though?
I just told you, sir.
Yeah, but you've not got no
don't
ID.
think-
Show
no,
me that ID. Anybody can make up a
I'm
fake
starting to
ID like that.
question your English now, sir. I'm starting to question your English. You're
You
not
can read that. There's
understanding.
nothing on it.
You're not understanding plain
No, I
English.
don't understand what you're saying. I don't understand you.
£350 by post, sir.